Hey guys, it's that short guy here, and before we get into the quick summary video, I just wanted to say thank you to my subscribers. I know I don't have that many, and I know I don't have that many views, but those following along in this channel and who have watched this rebuild, I thank you so much. You guys gave me the motivation to keep going through and finishing this, and it's completed, and I'm really happy about it. It looks great. I'm happy with this job. It was my first build ever. This is my first build ever, and it came out, and I couldn't be happier. I get married this April, the 17th. This is going to be my drive-off car, so I think I'll always remember this car for the rest of my life. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it, guys. I'm out.
Alright guys, can you see that orange peel? This is on the quarter panel, okay? And then here you can see it's smoothing out. Now you have almost a mirror finish. Looks really good. I mean, overall, I'm really...
That was a really good thing, man. That was almost damn perfect.